What's YouTube? This is jwsolarusa again with another video here. Just pairing for you guys my batteries. See, all the way I'm gonna be installing this guy right here. Okay, battery extra. You can see all the sensors. You guys never seen my setup. There's the sensor right there, temperature sensor sitting right in the middle of the box for this guy right here. Okay, so this is the parallel connection. You know, 48 volts, 4 batteries in series. It comes all the way here and tied it, drill a hole right there. These are all 3 odd cable, 3/0. Them are all tied up into these. There's a sensor right there, the outback. It's another sensor right there for the another outback right there. There's another sensor right there for the classic. Okay, I have my fuse right there, 300 amp fuse. So these are all the wires coming from one point to another. Huge terminals, folks. Well, I'm showing you guys my battery box, and I moved the disconnect to here on the side. Now it's on the side. See that? So I have it right here. I took it off from this spot right there. It used to be right there. I moved it. So give you a good glance of the system right here. Well, yeah, this is my disconnects from the AC for the inverter to charge. If I want to charge my batteries, I just quick disconnect right there. Here is my sub panel. If you guys can see big huge cables right there for the inverter. There you go. And I have a 10 gauge 10-2 up there for the input and output from the AC, from this guy down here to this guy up here, a 10-2 for the Outback FX 3048, the command center. Yeah, I have the hub right there, Outback hub. There is the mate and the Outback FlexMac 60 MPPT charge controller. You have the Midnight Classic 150. It has 3 functionality, which is a wind, solar, and hydro. Okay, so I got my new gutters right there to bury all my wires all the way for the sensors and all other stuff, and for the PV. Here you guys can see it tells you the PV inputs, the amps and voltage and energy we already made. That one too. We have to show you the drawer where it's coming out from the batteries. So I disconnected that one because I have the Whizbang Junior right from there. I can see what's happening. So I'm setting this one up for another application, maybe for my 12-volt system for the lights, so I can able to monitor over this one, so that I can able to see what is coming in and what is going out. So here I used to use this to check the SOC of the batteries. If it's 70, 80, 90%, tells you right there. Right here is a USB 5 volt 3.1 amps. So this is the switch for it. Okay, and here this other switch right here for this guy right up here. Okay, and the key is for the PV. All right, So this is how my system is set up, and this is I have the temperature right there, temperature gauge, so you guys can be able to when the inverter is kind of hot, is charging, or maybe giving out power, I can tell exactly what's the temperature around that area. Okay, so this is the command center, this is the setup, and I'm doing this finishing stuff, putting the battery extra. So it's 2400 hours right from the command center. I will take you guys back to the batteries and the installation for the battery extra. All right, stay tuned.